Here we are down in Plymouth, and Plymouth got clobbered also. Says if you don't see what you want, we can get it. Problem is, there was nothing left in the building. Downtown Plymouth was completely gutted. I have these memories, and when I get down, driving through there, I find it so hard to believe, because I remember what it was like, and now it's come back just tremendously. I tell you, till you face disaster, you don't know how strong people can be. That's very fortunate. We had a little mine cave in our yard, and I know how that disturbed me. And then it went down again, and we had to have it down 3 more feet, and we had to have it done again. Meals Restaurant. I think that's still in business. I made to see all this. And now, it's more beautiful than ever. And they're still not done completing the dike systems. In fact, this is 1972, and I'm going to add on to this about another 100-foot roll that I took in 1974. 2 years later, the same thing almost happened. In fact, I have about 100 feet of Brookside and North End. They got flooded out again 2 years later. The river came up so high, and I tell you, if we had another 2 or 3 more days of rain, we would have been in this situation all over again. There's some of the water that still didn't recede. Some of the erosion, some of the streets completely gone. Foundations washed out. Amazing.